B6 Front-End Operation Guide. Power on. From left to right are the HDMI input port, 3 USB ports, Ethernet port. Below is the power cable port and the power switch. Plug in the power cable, turn on the power switch, and wait for the system to boot. Tube connect to Wi-Fi. First, swipe down from the top of the screen, press and hold the Wi-Fi icon to enter the Wi-Fi settings page. Select the Wi-Fi with the strongest signal. Click Connect. 3. Activating new devices. Open the Skin Center app. For official use, please log in with your email to activate the app. If you choose trial, remember to exit trial mode promptly because skin measurement records in trial mode are only saved for a few hours. Select trial mode to enter the homepage. After entering the homepage, the top section is a carousel, followed by essential readings, video tutorials, and function videos. Click the New button on the top right to enter the Create New Profile page. The bottom is the main navigation bar. From left to right, Homepage, Member Center, AI Skin Measurement, Data Center, and System Settings. For a Member Center, click the second icon at the bottom to enter the Member Center page. Click New on the top right to enter the Create New Profile page. Enter the name, select gender, select date of birth, and enter a correctly formatted phone number. Click Save immediately. Click the second icon on the top right to return to the previous page. Newly created profiles will appear at the top of the profile management list. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find clients by name or phone number. Click on a client's profile. The left side allows editing of client personal data. The right side has the Start Skin Measurement button via 3D capture. Click the Start Skin Measurement button to enter the capture page. During capture, ensure the midline aligns with the nose midline. The subject should close their eyes, place their chin on the chin rest, and forehead against the forehead rest. The top of the capture frame allows switching the eyeline guide and facial contour guide functions. Click Front Face to start. After front face capture completes, 5 images will appear: white light, cross-polarized, parallel polarized, woods lamp, and UV. Click the left face button to enter the left face capture page. The subject needs to turn their head 45 degrees to the right, exposing the left cheek. Ensure a small part of the right cheek is also slightly visible. Otherwise, the system may not recognize it as a face. If left face capture is not needed, click Complete. After left face capture completes, 5 images will appear: white light, cross-polarized, parallel polarized, woods lamp, and UV. Click the right face button to enter the right face capture page. Right face capture is similar to left face. If right face capture is not needed, click Finish. After right face capture completes, 5 images will appear: white light, cross-polarized, parallel polarized, woods lamp, and UV. Click Finish button to enter the Skin Moisture Content page. VI Skin Moisture Content. The moisture page measures the forehead, left cheek, right cheek, and chin separately. Pick up the handheld skin micrometer according to the voice prompt. Make sure the 2 metal probes close to the skin well. Click the Test button to read the moisture value. Note, if the metal probes are not in full contact with the skin, the screen will display a notice Failed to read moisture. Please adjust and try again. The 2 buttons on the handheld skin micrometer are unrelated to moisture analysis. If an error occurs, simply click Reset to 0. If you do not need to measure the moisture content of the skin, click to skip. After the measurement is completed, click Submit to proceed to the image upload and analysis page. The upload speed depends on the network connection. After the upload analysis is completed, jump to the image acquisition page. 7 or image collection. After uploading and analysis, 8 images appear: white light, cross-polarized, parallel polarized, woods lamp, UV, erythema redness, melanin brown, and perfect skin white. If left or right faces were captured, click the corresponding buttons to switch. Click the first icon on the top right to download the images and annotation maps. The second icon returns to the user center. The third icon goes back to the previous page. Click the Skin Layer Perspective button on the right to expand the UV, erythema, and melanin images. Drag the perspective lens freely to zoom and view superficial and deep skin issues. Add annotations at the bottom right. Use the drawing tools below for line, circle, and free rectangle annotations. Click the Eraser tool to delete unwanted annotations. Click the Reset tool to delete all annotations. Multiple brush colors are available. Click different function buttons on the left vertical bar to switch between corresponding detection functions. 8. Skin hydration. The second item is the skin hydration page. The skin hydration page shows values for 4 positions: forehead, left cheek, right cheek, and chin. Click the value button on the far right to pop up the data analysis dialog box. Click the bottom right to enter the report interface. The first item is knowledge, where you can view related information for the current page. The second item is problem analysis, which shows different analyses based on the hydration level. The next item is daily care suggestions, including advice on diet, daily care, and healthy habits, routines. The next item is solution recommendations. Click related text to view product details. Click more to see product recommendations for grades through. Merchants can add or change recommended products and items via the backend website. Click the return button, then scan the QR code at the bottom with a phone to view and print the mobile H5 report. It's a superficial analysis. The superficial analysis page analyzes 8 indicators. 1. A sebum oil. View skin surface oil secretion issues via parallel polarized light. The algorithm highlights areas with strong sebum secretions in yellow, providing a clearer, more intuitive view of facial oil distribution. Click the corresponding buttons below to view the left, right face. Click the value button on the right to pop up the data analysis dialog box. Add annotations at the bottom right. Similarly, click report details below the value button to view the single item report. 2. Pores. View already enlarged pores on the skin surface under cross-polarized light. Using RBX technology, the algorithm highlights areas with enlarged pores using dark gray circles, providing a clearer, more intuitive view. Click the corresponding buttons below to view the left, right face. Click the value button on the right to pop up the data analysis dialog box. Click labels to show, hide them. Add annotations at the bottom right. Similarly, click report details below the value button to view the single item report. 3. Blackheads. View blackheads oil-clogged pores in the T-zone under cross-polarized light. Using RBX technology, the algorithm highlights blackhead areas in the T-zone with dark gray circles, providing a clearer, more intuitive view of nasal blackhead distribution. Click the corresponding buttons below to view the left, right face. Click the value button on the right to pop up the data analysis dialog box. Click labels to show, hide them. Add annotations at the bottom right. Similarly, click report details below the value button to view the single item report. For a superficial pigmentation, blue areas are algorithm-identified comprehensive pigmentation zones on the face, annotated with polygonal curves. Recognition areas avoid the eyes and lips to reduce interference from eyelashes and lip hair. Click the corresponding buttons below to view the left, right face. Click the value button on the right to pop up the data analysis dialog box. Click labels to show, hide them. Add annotations at the bottom right. Similarly, click report details below the value button to view the single item report. 5. Mixed spots. The mixed spots image shows skin pigmentation. Under cross-polarized light, we can view the distribution of mixed spots on the skin surface. The algorithm identifies comprehensive pigmentation zones and marks them with brown blocks. Click the corresponding buttons below to view the left, right face. Click the value button on the right to pop up the data analysis dialog box. Add annotations at the bottom right. Similarly, click report details below the value button to view the single item report. 6. Acne. View acne distributions under cross-polarized light. The algorithm identifies acne distribution areas and marks them with blue circles. Click the corresponding buttons below to view the left, right face. Click the value button on the right to pop up the data analysis dialog box. Click labels to show, hide them. Add annotations at the bottom right. Similarly, click report details below the value button to view the single item report. 7. Skin barrier redness. The barrier image shows skin redness and red blood vessel distribution. Under cross-polarized light, we can assess skin barrier health. Redder areas indicate more severe skin barrier damage, serving as a reference for judging skin sensitivity and inflammation areas. Click the corresponding buttons below to view the left, right face. Click the value button on the right to pop up the data analysis dialog box. Add annotations at the bottom right. Similarly, click report details below the value button to view the single item report. 8. Wrinkles. The wrinkle image shows skin texture roughness. Under parallel polarized light, view skin surface texture. The algorithm identifies skin lines and marks wrinkle distribution in 5 areas: forehead lines, nasal bridge lines, eye periorbital lines, crow's feet, nasolabial folds with aqua blue short lines. More broken lines represent rougher skin. Click the corresponding buttons below to view the left, right face. Click the value button on the right to pop up the data analysis dialog box. Click labels to show, hide them. Add annotations at the bottom right. Similarly, click Report Details below the Value button to view the Single Item Report. X. Deep Analysis. The Deep Analysis page analyzes 8 indicators. 1. A porphyrin fluorescence. Orange-red fluorescent points indicate porphyrin distribution. Porphyrin is a metabolite of bacteria, primarily C. acnes and malassezia on the human face. These bacteria can exacerbate skin comedones, blackheads to whiteheads, thus serving as a basis for judging. Assessing comedones. Click the corresponding buttons below to view the left, right face. Click the Value button on the right to pop up the Data Analysis dialog box. Add annotations at the bottom right. Similarly, click Report Details below the Value button to view the Single Item Report. 2. Deep Pigmentation. The overall facial image shows green from the wood's lamp. Yellow areas are algorithm-identified comprehensive pigmentation zones annotated with polygonal curves. Dark black, brown patches, or spots appearing on the face indicate pigmentation. Click the corresponding buttons below to view the left, right face. Click the Value button on the right to pop up the Data Analysis dialog box. Click Labels to show, hide them. Add annotations at the bottom right. Similarly, click Report Details below the Value button to view the Single Item Report. 3. Brown Pigmentation Melanin. The depth of the overall brown color is mainly related to skin tone. Darker skin tones or skin with more hemoglobin appears darker overall. Areas with heavier pigmentation in the image indicate higher density and concentration of pigment. This page has a slider control, allowing comparison between cross-polarized and brown light for a clearer view of skin pigmentation issues. Click the corresponding buttons below to view the left, right face. Click the Value button on the right to pop up the Data Analysis dialog box. Add annotations at the bottom right. Similarly, click Report Details below the Value button to view the Single Item Report. 4. Pigmentation Heat Map. The pigmentation heat map shows the distribution of deep skin pigmentation. The algorithm identifies pigment distribution on the face and presents it in a heat map format. Different colors represent visibly pigmented areas like spots, moles, and scars on the cross-polarized image. Red indicates severe pigmentation, yellow moderate, green mild, and blue normal skin. Click the corresponding buttons below to view the left, right face. Click the Value button on the right to pop up the Data Analysis dialog box. Add annotations at the bottom right. Similarly, click Report Details below the Value button to view the Single Item Report. 5. Erythema Redness Map. Under cross-polarized light, we can view superficial skin redness and red blood vessel distribution. The background color depth of the redness map is related to overall skin tone. Less hemoglobin results in a lighter color. This page has a slider control, allowing comparison between cross-polarized and red light for a clearer view of skin pigmentation and other issues. Click the corresponding buttons below to view the left, right face. Click the Value button on the right to pop up the Data Analysis dialog box. Add annotations at the bottom right. Similarly, click Report Details below the Value button to view the Single Item Report. 6. Sensitivity Heat Map. The underlying basis of the sensitivity heat map is the distribution of subcutaneous capillaries. More capillaries indicate more sensitive areas. Specifically, visible redness and acne on the cross-polarized image are areas of severe sensitivity. Based on severity and distribution, the algorithm uses different colors: red for severe inflammation, yellow for moderate, green for mild, blue for normal skin. Click the corresponding buttons below to view the left, right face. Click the Value button on the right to pop up the Data Analysis dialog box. Add annotations at the bottom right. Similarly, click Report Details below the Value button to view the Single Item Report. 7. Fluorescent Agents. Fluorescent agents appear as highly bright blue light, often in large patchy areas. Click the corresponding buttons below to view the left, right face. Add annotations at the bottom right. Similarly, click Report Details below the Value button to view the Single Item Report. 8. Collagen. The small white broken lines in the image indicate the condition of collagen loss and elastic fiber breakage. Click the corresponding buttons below to view the left, right face. Click the Value button on the right to pop up the Data Analysis dialog box. Add annotations at the bottom right. Similarly, click Report Details below the Value button to view the Single Item Report. 11. Skin Prediction. Slide the cursor to view effects. Sliding left shows care simulation. Sliding right shows aging simulation. 12. Micro Detection. Microscopic examinations can be performed on the face and scalp. Below, select Facial Microscopic Examinations. Pick up the handpiece. There are 2 buttons on the handpiece. The top one is the capture button, and the bottom one is the light source toggle button. The microscopic handpiece has 3 light sources: white light, negative polarized light, cross-polarized light, and UV light, Woods light. Below the capture frame, different areas can be selected for imaging. Below, select the nose for microscopic imaging. Press the handpiece firmly against the nasal alas. First click the light source toggle button, then click the capture button. Repeat this process. Toggle the light source and capture an image. Toggle the light source 3 times and capture 3 images. After imaging is complete, click Submit. The system navigates to the Microscopic Examination Records page. Click the Microscopic Examination button on the left to return to the Microscopic Examination page. Toggle the Scalp Microscopic button. Below the capture frame, different areas can be selected for imaging. Below, select the crown top of the head for microscopic imaging. Press the handpiece firmly against the scalp. First click the light source toggle button, then click the capture button. Repeat this process. Toggle the light source and capture an image. Toggle the light source 3 times and capture 3 images. After imaging is complete, click Submit. The system navigates to the Microscopic Examination Records page. Click on the facial test record, then click on an image to enlarge and view skin issues. The white light image shows skin texture and oiliness. The negative polarized light, cross-polarized light image reveals skin sensitivity issues and allows visualization of follicular occlusion by sebum. In the UV light, Woods light image, orange-red fluorescent spots indicate the distribution of skin microflora. Toggle the scalp microscopic button, click on an image, and enlarge it to view scalp issues. White light image, under uniform illumination with natural light, filtering out stray light. It clearly presents scalp issues visible to the naked eye at the epidermal level. Under white light, the scalp's texture, skin grooves, sulky cutis, and skin ridges, cristae cutis, distribution characteristics can be observed. It is used to examine scalp color, hair density, hair thickness, scalp sensitivity, etc. Negative polarized light, cross-polarized light image, utilizing special cross-polarizing filters. It effectively reduces direct reflected glare. The cross-polarized mode forms an image from light reflected from the stratum basale and dermis layers of the scalp skin, which are rich in melanin and hemoglobin. Therefore, the cross-polarized mode is used to view the deeper layers of the scalp skin, stratum basale and dermis, revealing the state of capillaries and pigmentation deposits. It assists in the diagnosis and observation of treatment efficacy for symptoms such as white hair, hair thickness, follicular health, dandruff, redness, telangiectasia, sensitivity, inflammation, and pigmentation abnormalities on the scalp. UV light, Woods light image, with a wavelength of 365 nanometers. The cells and tissues of the scalp skin have the natural ability to convert invisible light into visible fluorescence, effectively turning the scalp skin into a luminescent body. UV light penetrates from the scalp skin's surface to various layers, exciting different types of fluorescence. These fluorescences enter the lens and form images showing scalp symptoms, which can be used to detect issues like scalp follicular occlusion, dandruff, and the presence of fluorescent agents. Below are the Microscopic Examination button and the Comparative Analysis button. Clicking the Microscopic Examination button allows performing facial and scalp microscopic examinations again. Clicking the Comparative Analysis button enables localized comparison of pre- and post-treatment effects for both the face and scalp. 13. Analysis Images Comparison View utilizes white light, cross-polarized, and UV light sources for a clearer understanding of skin issues, allowing vertical and horizontal comparisons. Click the corresponding buttons below to switch between left and right faces. 14. Comprehensive Report. The top section shows the personal profile. The first section is Comprehensive Analysis. Left shows the 16 skin type test results. Right shows the comprehensive score. The second section is Individual Symptoms. Left lists skin hydration and likely others. Right shows individual scores. Only scores below 60 are displayed on this radar chart. The third section is Comprehensive Suggestions, including problem analysis and care advice. The fourth section is Comparative Analysis, which only compares with the previous captured results. If only one capture exists, it shows a single indicator line chart for the current time graded a through E. The fifth section is Superficial Analysis, showing various issues from the superficial items. The sixth section is Deep Analysis, showing various issues from the deep items. Scroll down to view solution recommendations and the Mobile H5 report. Click the first print button on the top right to enter the printed page. You can select paper size, ink color, paper orientation, double-sided printing, and page range. Click the PDF download button on the right to download the electronic version of the comprehensive report. Comparative analysis. Select images from different times to compare various skin indicators, intuitively viewing the care effects. Support switching between different skin issue indicators and left or right face images. The comparative analysis interface has 3 modes: horizontal comparison, vertical comparison, and for-image comparison. For-image comparison mode allows switching between 4 indicators and for different capture times. 16. Data Center. Click the 4th icon at the bottom to enter the Data Center page. Module 1. Data Statistics. Analyze changes in stored client numbers annually, monthly via line charts. Module 2. Gender Ratio. Analyze client gender ratio annually, monthly via pie charts. Module 3. Age Distribution. Analyze client age group distribution annually, monthly via bar charts. Module 4. Problem Prevalence. Annually, monthly. Visualize the 8 superficial and 8 deep analysis items graded into 5 levels, presented as line graphs or other visualized curves. 17. Data Center. Click the 5th System Settings icon at the bottom to enter the Parameter Adjustment and My Device pages. Parameter Adjustment. Individual Parameter Adjustment. After adjustment, the specified client's next detection data will trend towards the direction adjusted by the store. Click the client's personal profile. Slide the cursor to adjust individual or multiple values. AI is automatic mode. MT4 is manual mode. To return to AI mode values, click Restore Default Settings at the bottom. Overall Parameter Adjustment. After adjustment, all clients' next detection data in the store will trend towards the direction adjusted by the store. Slide the cursor to adjust individual or multiple values. AI is automatic mode. MT4 is manual mode. To return to AI mode values, click Restore Default Settings at the bottom. Disable Parameters. Click the Disable Parameters option to turn off this adjustment function. All detection data will display the customer's real data. Click My Device. View app version, organization name, serial number, system version, check for updates, language, watermark settings, network detection, and recently deleted. To add a watermark to images and annotation maps, click Watermark Settings to customize. Click the toggle button next to watermark to turn it on/off. Options below include watermark type, watermark content, watermark position, and watermark transparency. Watermark type can be custom text, time, or a custom image. Watermark positions can be tiled, bottom center, or image center. Slide the cursor to select watermark transparency between 10% and 90%.